Folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated? Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hope everyone can hear me all right. If you can hear me, just say yes in the comments, in the live chat. Just want to make sure everyone can hear me before I start talking. Don't want to make myself look like an idiot. Hello, good morning. Can everyone hear me on YouTube? Perfect, okay. Right, so just before I get into everything, before we get into the trading, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you who I am, if you haven't seen the Monday stream, what we do, and why I'm here, really. So I'm Fbomb. Good morning, Larry. I'm Fbomb. I've traded on 1 live stream before. This was on Monday. That's when I started this account. Cam Hawkins, TRADINGNUT, he knows my teacher, my mentor, essentially, who is teaching me this strategy. I've only had 5 weeks of training. And the purpose of this live stream is really just to see if you can go from knowing pretty much nothing about trading or just being really bad at it like I was, to becoming funded with the teachings of a former bank dealing desk trader. Now, Cam Hawkins knows, like I say, my mentor personally, and he knows that he has spent decades working within the dealing desks of multiple large profile banks. So he knows everything there is to know about the market, okay? Now, like I say, I am his student. I've been learning his strategy, and it's very, very simple. It's free as well for everybody to learn. Our Discord group we went live recently, and it's for everybody to come in and join. Now, just a couple of things about the Discord group. It's free. Everything that's free in it is you can talk to us free, you can text us, you can book. If you're struggling with the strategy, if you're finding a personal kink in it, or like, some kind of struggle that you're having with it specifically tailored towards you, you can have a tailored one-on-one session with Cameron, like I say, for free. He frees up all his Saturdays for that specific purpose. You can have a 1-hour session with him, and you can get to the bottom of why you're struggling. And like I say, it's free. All the resources, the learning resources, they're only 2 videos. It doesn't take up too much of your time. It's a fairly simple strategy. And this on YouTube, they're all free as well. Currently, there's no monetization in the Discord. And like I say, the resources, the learning, the access to us to text is free forever. And we implore you to give it a try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the Discord link in the comments right now. Just bear with. Edit invite link. We don't want a limit on it, do we? And we'll copy it and we'll post it. So guys, just join the Discord link that I'm just posted on the live chat right now. And you'll be able to see our trade markups, trade discussions. You'll be able to trade with everybody else who are in a vibrant community and we're thriving. And now, about the strategy, okay? Because we want to know how to make money, right? And how to be a better trader. So we focus on 4 things. I'm going to oversimplify it right now, but you'll see it as we get into the strategy and as we take some trades. Number 1 is we focus on bear candles only. So I'm going to show you my screen right now. Any line that you see on my chart, all the bearish, so the bearish lines are the red lines, the bullish lines are the blue lines. All the lines are are on only bear candles, and that's because we only focus on bear candles. That's number 1. Number 2, we focus on candle changes. So in a bearish scenario, we will focus on a bear candle that comes after a bull candle and hasn't had a close above the close of that specific bear candle. So if you look at the red line on, for example, the USD CHF, this is a bear candle that comes after a bull candle and it has had no close above this red line, i.e. no close inside of the body. Okay. Now a bull candle is a bear candle which is followed by either a bull candle, so one bull candle, or a series of bull candles which takes out the body high. Now if you look at the bull candles, so the bullish lines, let's go on to the euro. You can see this is a bear candle followed by one bull candle which takes out the body high, and it has not had a close below the bullish line, i.e. a close within the body. So that's number 2. So number 3 is we focus on, after that, after the bullish or bearish line is made, we focus on an attempt to rebalance. And that means in a bullish scenario, we wait for, we want a bearish candle to print. But that bearish candle will be looked at as an attempt to rebalance, but it must fail. And what I mean by fail is it can't go below the bullish line, okay, in terms of the closes. If it closes below the bullish line will disappear, and that setup will be invalidated because that move will now be efficient. In a bearish scenario, we want a bull candle to print, and we can't have that bull candle close above the bearish line, i.e. inside of the body of the bear candle, because that would make the move efficient. When we see the market move inefficiently, that's when we want to enter, okay? So that's number 3. Number 4, once we've had an attempt to rebalance which failed, you focus on a body break entry. So I'm just going to give you an example. I haven't looked at the charts today, but let's have a look. Let's have a look at the euro, okay? So we have a bullish line that appeared here. We had a bearish candle which printed. What does that mean? We've had an attempt to rebalance, and it failed, obviously, because we came down, we printed a bear candle, but we didn't go below the bullish line. We didn't close below it. So then what do? You focus on the body high of the bear candle to enter longs. And you'd enter long here, you put your stop below the bull candle or below the low, and you go for 5 pips, and Bob's your uncle, you would have got 5 pips, bish, bash, bosh. And the opposite goes for the sells as well. Okay, so when you see for example, over here, we have a bear candle. We have a bearish line that appears after it because it's after a bull candle. We have a bullish candle that prints. It does not close above the bearish line. None of the other candles close above the bearish line as well. And so you wait for the body low of that bull candle to enter your shorts. And you would have entered your shorts, you would have put your stop. I would have put my stop above the bear candle there, and you would have been in for 5 pips, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, so that's just a really oversimplified explanation of the strategy, and I hope it will make a lot more sense to you as you go along. Join the Discord, you'll be able to see the theory behind it, why markets move, how they're linked to the stock market. And it's like I say, it's a very, very simple strategy, and it's taught by a guy who knows his stuff, and it's verified by Cam Hawkins that he has had the pedigree that I mentioned. And, by that I mean he's worked for banks for several decades. Now, let's get to trading. What I'm going to do is we have a running live trading session in the Discord. So if you join our Discord, you'll get to hear me in there as well and see my screen. Otherwise, you can stay on YouTube if you like. But I implore you to try and join the Discord so you can see what we're doing every single day, our trade markups, and learn the strategy. And the FAQs there, everything is there at your fingertips. And it's free. Like I say, we don't sell anything. This strategy isn't for sale. Okay, it's just you come in, you learn it, you put in your effort, and if you put in your effort, we will go above and beyond to try and make you profitable. And like I say, this stream is just to see if me, a trader who's only been trading this strategy for 5 weeks, can go from nothing to funded within a month. Within a month of training, rather than, and I don't know how long this challenge will take, but we'll see. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I can see them, I can bring them up on the screen like this. And I'll answer them as we go along. Now, I'm going to undeafen myself on the Discord so they can hear me and I can hear them. All right, guys. How you doing? Can you hear me? Perfect. Okay. All right. What do we see on Trader? Do you see anything? Oh, I should probably give an update on my account. Just bear with. Just deafen myself again. Right, for those of you who didn't see my Monday stream, I was about break even on Monday, pretty much exactly break even. And on Tuesday was another break even day. Wednesday I made about $18 of profit, and yesterday I was up a little bit as well. But like I say, and I mentioned this on the Monday stream. On stream, I'll be trading full lot sizes, so 2.5 because it's 25k. Off stream, I'm trading less than a half a lot size. So I'm trading one lot rather than 2.5. Okay. But in terms of the progress that I made, I'm just going to show you my account right now on Blue Guardian. And let me just share you the screen with that. What's my risk? So I use the fixed lot risk because that's just the way that I've been taught with the guy who teaches the strategy. So I only take per 100k, it's 10 lot. So for a 25k, which I'm trading on right now, it's 2.5. And my biggest stop loss is about 10 pips, but usually they range from about 5 to 7, say max 10. That's maximum. So maximum risk is 1%. Okay. Let me just share my screen now. I want to share a tab, and I want to share my Blue Guardian dashboard. Okay, so right, so what you can see here is my, like say, Monday was a bit of a break-even day. We were up in profit a little bit, went down in profit a little bit, and then came back to break-even. And then, like say, Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, Tuesday was a break-even day as well, and then Wednesday I was up slightly, and then yesterday I'm up a little bit more, and I'm up altogether about 0.4%. So that is the result of a few days trading with half the original lot size. Obviously today, because I'm trading on stream, I'll be trading with full lot sizes at 2.5. Okay. So let's go back to sharing the MetaTrader screen. Share screen, window, and I want to share my 8 cap. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to undeafen myself on here. How's it going? I'm at 0.4% profit. And obviously that was just trading with the half lot sizes. So I'm in profit at least. A little bit of a buffer for today, eh? That's all that matters. Christian, this is Mike again. Yeah, it's just the yeah, it's well before it was, yeah, not right now, but like literally a few seconds ago, it was sounded like your laptop fans were going off. Yeah, really, he's got Alienware or something. Mahendra will be coming in about 25 minutes, he said. Got a few questions, let me just answer them. How do you know the market is starting to be bullish when you've entered a sell? So within the framework of this strategy, the only time I will exit a trade prematurely is in a sell scenario. If I were to enter a sell, and if you look at this is a perfect example, on the GBP USD, okay, on this corner here, I'll just maximize it for you guys. Let's just ignore what happened here, but let's just say that there was a sell setup over here, okay? If there was a sell setup and I entered a sell, and obviously I would be out of 5 pips anyway, but let's just say I held it. If it came down here into this open book and it wicked it, I would get out because it shows that, you know, the markets are not willing to make this book efficient, okay? So the larger players who are in this position at this minute, the market has a willingness to go up, to continue up, and not close out the bullish books, and that wick would just make me get out. Okay, that is really the only scenario in which I would get out prematurely. Obviously, it would be the opposite for a bullish scenario. If I bought and we came into an open book and we rejected and we weren't trying to close inside of it, then I would just simply cut my trade. Okay, and maybe we'll get a few examples today. Let's see. How do you know how long you're holding your trade for? So I have a take profit of about 5 pips. I take 5 pips per trade. That's usually what I take. And in most cases, I don't hold for too long. Occasionally, the market can do some stupid stuff, and it will take ages for it to go into my profit, or stop loss as well. But in most cases, I'll be out fairly quickly. And if I'm in a trade for a very, very long time, which is very, very rare, then I would simply just get out if every other pair started showing signs that the particular pair that I'm on would either start reversing or it's just not going the way that I want it to go. Okay, but like I said, because my take profit is 5 pips, and so is my stop loss is quite small, I'm usually out fairly quickly in most cases. Okay. But like I say, join the Discord, ask as many questions as you want. I'm not the teacher of the strategy; it's free. The guy who teaches this is Cameron. In the Discord, he will be called Prop Firm Past, and we are the Prop Sense team. Okay, right. I'm just going to undeafen myself so they can hear me again. What do we see? For shorts or longs? Longs. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, the euro has been dumping. The end's just usually just doing the opposite to everything else for some reason these days. I can't see anything as of now. See a bunch of people have joined the Discord. Okay, yeah. If that wick gets taken, that's a buy. Which wick are you talking about? As far as I can see, there's no GU long setting up as of now. If we print a bear candle, which does not close below this bullish line, and then we take the high of the bear candle, then that would be a bullish setup. It would be a GU long. Otherwise, I don't see a setup printing on the GU right now. Just a YouTube comment I was responding to. Well, fine. What's the reason I'm not looking for a buy on GU? There would be a buy on GU if we had a bear candle. Like I say, I mentioned a few seconds ago, if there's a bear candle which prints and then it does not close below the bullish line, and then the high of the bear candle, the body high, gets taken, then we can enter longs. Otherwise, it's not a long setup for me. It would be a pretty nice long setup for me as well, because it's the first leg. You getting in on EU? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. EU is a nice trade as well. Break through this. Yeah. Just taking the EU longs there. Breaking that original candle. I've got a massively late entry compared to you guys, but I only entered on the original candle being broken. Swissy's pushing down, pushing the euro up. That's good. So hope it continues. just a little bit wary of the book that we're closing into on euro. Yeah, this is a few legs in. Yeah, this is. Let me just see. 1, 2, 3. So it'd be the fourth leg, wouldn't it? From the low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe the fourth leg. But with the Swissy falling, yeah. But with the Swissy falling, it's supporting a euro buy. Yeah, CAD buys actually look good. The first leg as well. Wanted a better entry, but I missed it. Yeah, too late. Yeah, it would be countering. Yeah, may have a buy setup on GU if it if it prints this and breaks the high. Not liking EU at the minute. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, as someone correctly pointed out, it wasn't really a first leg trade that I usually take. Liking the look of the pound. Yeah. Yeah, what is IG saying? Is it red? Last time I saw it was red. It's a bit of a mix now, isn't it? No, okay. Yeah, mixture. Can you explain about the book map? What do you mean by book map? Yeah, so someone on the YouTube comments has asked, can you explain about book map? Yeah, it might mean an open book. Just clarify that for me and I'll answer your question. Just looking at the GU still. Just gonna deafen myself for a minute. So what do I mean by a first leg and fourth leg? Okay, so if you look at the euro, we've had one leg here, one leg of price. We have a second leg of price, third leg, basically how many swings there are, okay, bullish swings. And from the low, you can see we've had 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then this is the fourth. You get what I'm saying? So just swings, basically. Might be a better term. Okay. The euro looking a little bit better now, but still not as good. Yeah, yeah. If you look at the hourly candle, there's no wick. Not good at all. Probably Probably after Euro, I'll be sticking to my signature, just take my first legs, because I love the first leg trades, you know me. Yeah, it's because of the Swissy in the end. Hmm. Mm-hmm. So hold on. So let's see. How are you using them to assist you? So for me, the way that I use them to assist me, I only take first leg trades. Obviously, the Euro is an exception, just because the team was getting involved and the Swissy was falling really, really quickly. So I thought, okay, there's a bit more confluence to the Euro. But I usually, if you look at my trade markups in the Discord, I only take first leg trades. They tend to be the highest probability. USD CHF sells. Let's have a look at them. Let's have a look. Yeah, the USD CHF would be a sell, but that is a couple of legs in. So we have one leg, two legs, third leg, and this would be the fourth leg. So if you want to take it, you can. But I wouldn't. We are also closing out a book there as well. So I'd just be a bit careful if I were you. But it is a technically valid entry in terms of the strategy. So well done on spotting that one, Dennis. What's going on? Oh, did Kaiser just make $10 billion? What are you on? Kaiser's the comedian here. Yeah, I need to find Cam myself. Need to have a word with him. No, don't worry, we love you. Just want to have a drink with you, mate. That's all. A little bit of a whiskey, you know. Pants drunk. Nor do we in Britain. I'll probably get out of Euro and break even right now. Get out of that. Yeah, the Swissy is actually falling by those. Yeah, G is just pumping, mate. Which time frame do you analysis or before? Okay, which time frame do you analyze before you take entry? So we only analyze the 5 minute. Do you trade US 30? There is a different way to trade US 30. If you join our Discord, ask some questions, you'll find out. But for now, we only trade these 6 US dollar pairs. Are you in Swissy? Crazy. Yeah. For real. Is that an Australian accent? No, I'm British. I'm British. Although Cameron is Australian. No. Actually, no, he's from Burma. Yeah, I'll say that instead next time. He's actually from Burma. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I'm just talking to the guys on YouTube. I'm British though. I'm British. If you're asking about me, he asked me if I have an Australian accent. It's probably what most people think, though. Really, still English. just love hearing Peter chirping with his profanity and just madness. Love it. No, you're not. You're not. Don't worry. They can only hear me, not you. Nah, don't worry. You don't have to. You can say whatever the hell you want. They won't be able to hear you. Jesus. You know what? I really don't like EU just because we're multiple legs in. It's not a trade that I would usually take, so probably get out. Yeah. It's not a trade that I would take, guys. That's the only thing. Bit of a mistake on my part. Yeah. Yeah. Same with the AU, it's a bit funky. Just wicking through. I know. It was actually a good buy on that. It's annoying. Only an American would think you were Aussie. Oh, mate. I think if you zoom out a little bit, I think you change your mind a little bit there. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Gotcha. I'll just get the telegram up now. No, I mean if you like zoom out like fully, you'll see that from yesterday it's just been tanking. You know what I mean? That's all. So this could just be a little pullback in that. Hmm. Let me just have a look at the London fix real quick. Yeah, the London fix actually has no business done there. Yeah. But it is quite far away. 50 pips away on the euro. The day I make 50 pips on euro is the day I retire from trading, because that'll never happen. The euro moves like nothing. No, right? Taking the absolute piss. What were you going to say? Right. Yeah. Yeah. Especially with the Swissy coming up. Mm-hmm. On GU. This one. It would be the first tradable leg. Well, now, because it's broken structure to the downside and then moved up. Yeah. I think it seems to be consolidating diagonally to the upside. It's a bit of a triangle. Mm. Yeah, I think I'll hold EU for a little bit. just because the price action suggests that it may go up. Where did you enter Swissy? Ah, okay. All right. How much are you up on it, Kaiser? Ah. Yeah, Mahendra. Caddy would have been such a good trade. All right, no problem. You didn't miss too much. Yeah, yeah, it's audible. Yeah, we can hear you. Don't worry. When, in Asian? Oh. No, there's not been much, mate, to be honest with you. We're just sort of stuck in Euro, and I missed Caddy. I missed Caddy. Yeah, I'm still in. Yeah. No, it was a good trade, though. It was a really good trade. Yeah, we missed it. Mm, really good trade. Yeah, it was just when Kaiser called it, it was already a bit too late. That was the thing. Yeah, must. Yeah. Yeah, if you'd entered on the candle close, yeah. But if you'd entered on the break, I would have been fine. About 60 to 70%. Because my my risk to reward ratio is usually like 1 to 1. Could it be? If you look at it, it's sort of diagonally sort of wedging to the top side, so maybe. Yeah. It's because of the Swissy. Because look at the Swissy. Yeah. We need someone to saw the stock markets right now. Yeah. Just call the brokers, Cam. Oh, yeah. Yeah, CAD was nice. It's a bit unfortunate, but, you know. Yen is delivering too. Yeah, I know. What is the daily range on yen right now? Where is the London fix? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's here. It's quite a bit. Mm. It's okay. Fuck it, eh? I mean, forget it. That's the hope. That's the hope. Either way, we'll get another setup to recuperate. So it is what it is. Still in. Yeah, my stop is at the low there. Yeah. Maybe not. Yeah. And the Swissy mainly, isn't it? It's Swissy. Mm. There also is news in an hour after market open as well, so gotta be wary of that. The German IFO business climate. Swissy is the one hope for us right now. Someone just asked, hello, how much are you up on the account? I'm up 0.4%. If you look at my trades, 25,100, started at 25,000. If I lose this, I'll be below water, but it's okay. We'll make it back. Mm. Yeah, Euro's being super annoying. I'll just get out of my buys and enter the first leg sells. Boom. Big brain move. Mm. Euro will take us out. Not just yet, but it will take me out soon. It's all right. We'll wait for the next setup. I think the Aussie will get stuck in a range, or the GU and EU just fall on the sky. Yeah. No worries. All right. It's his bed. The euro that needs to move. Piece of crap. Being cheeky, innit? So hovering around the stop loss, like just move to my stop, move to break even. Do something. This is what I hate about euro. Just the pip range on it is dreadful sometimes. I would be inclined to take GU longs at the break of the high. Be a first leg trade, really nice. Are we coming into anything? Nope. Yeah, that's kind of the plan, isn't it? So I hope, and that's the dream. Pepe, are you asking about Pepe? Is he here? Hmm. Hmm. Good news is if the euro goes down, we'll see some sell opportunities to continue this trend. It'll be first leg. And the euro will take me out. There we go. It's taken me out. There you go. So I'm taking out 6 pips. My account should be down below water about, yeah, $65. It's all right. Look for the next setup. I would actually take the yen, to be honest. First leg sells. Yeah, I'd take it as a sell. Yeah, I would take that because it's a first leg. First leg, and it bounced off of it and it came back. It gave 2 bull candles instead of 1, which is good. And then it failed. Fair enough. I'm maybe entering the UJ shorts now. There we go. Oop, I entered with the wrong lot size. 1.5. Say, just get out of that for $12. Don't matter. I entered again with the wrong lot size. 2.5. Just add 1 lot to it. Oh, okay. See how that goes. Stop loss would be here. There we go. And I'd aim to take about 5 pips out of that. There we go. Good. Awesome. Because these are setups I like. I mean, EU is crap because it was a 4th leg. Kicking myself for taking that. It wasn't a good setup. Hmm? 8, I think. About 9 pips, sorry. Where did you guys enter? Oh, I guess you entered the same price, but yeah, you put it high. Yeah. Yeah, fair enough. Hmm. Yeah, if it gets there, I'll be getting out anyway. But whichever gives 5 pips, mate. That's all it matters to me. Yeah, it's literally just below this current low that we're bouncing off of. If we have a bad performance though, like if we come to that high where you guys are at, I'll be getting out as well. No spread on what? Of course, we see a spread. Yeah, just the euro was not a good setup at all. Fourth leg wasn't great. I mean, UJ sells though. See how they work out. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'll get out of UJ there. Just got out of UJ. This is Mets trader for Blue Guardian. I'm down about 1%, just over. It's not too bad. Well, less than 1% below break even. Yeah, no. Yeah, it is pretty choppy, isn't it? Yeah. Mm. I manually got out. Yeah, as soon as you see it pump a little bit, you're like, nah, you know what? I don't want to mess with it. Yeah, I'm surprised it hasn't. There is actually a buy on the Swissie, isn't there? Do you guys have a buy on Swissie? For me, yeah, for me, I have a buy, but It's quite close though. What? On what broker? That's nuts. On IC? Are you on live? That's nuts. That's crazy. Yeah, that's really bad. Hmm. There's no trade for euro. Yeah, I was gonna say you must see one in 1 minute or something. Yeah, London is where the fun starts, but the Frankfurt does have some trades as well. Yeah, euro just does not like what's going on. Could be a nice trade on the GU for a short. Yeah, I'll take that. First short, a first leg. We'll just wait for a break. Yeah, yeah. Just wait for London Open to pass a little bit. Could probably break after. Hmm. What happened? Oh, have you got one yet, or have you did you have one previously? Hmm. $5? What size is the account? What size is the account? 10,000. Oh wow, wow. Yeah, you might as well, right? Yeah. I know. I just want the pain to go. Mate, if he enters 10 lots, he will literally be taken out by spread. His spread will be $10 or $5 or something. Probably more than that. And commissions. Imagine being taken out by commissions. London Open. I'd look for UJ longs if they present. Maybe. Put my finger on the trigger. There's the push. Just needed some strength from London. Mm-hmm. Do we trade gold? No, but there is a different method to gold because it's slightly different the way they operate. If you want to know how to trade gold, you can contact Cameron privately on the Discord, or just ask on the Discord as well, and he'll let you know how gold trades. It's more related to bond data than it is with the stock market, as we trade with the forex pairs. It's a bit different. But you can ask about that on the Discord, and he'll give you a bit more info. I don't trade gold. I don't really know much about it. I avoid it, to be honest. I'm a bit scared of it. But Cameron will know, and he'll tell you. Bank of England. Mm. There was no trade on it. We took a buy. Bruh. Yeah. No. Mm. You're just stuck. Some Adidas. Yeah, Swiss is doing nothing. Swiss is doing nothing, mate. Mm. Mm. Just waiting for a first leg setup, bro. Euro USD maybe, or maybe the GU will set up soon. There we go. It's pushing now. Pushing now. Yeah. Be nice to have a long on the euro or the GU as well. Mm-hmm. You trying to get 20 out of it? Crazy. Yeah. And euros our book. Yeah. Euro prints a bear candle. Okay, it's a log. Oh my god, it's flying. This guy's nuts. Hey, he's better than me, mate. Okay, we could see a nice long now set up for the EU and the GU. Hmm. AU wouldn't because there's multiple legs in. Yeah, you should probably turn it off then. It's Friday, mate. Yeah, I'm down about. Well, I'm down 1% today. But the pips will be skewed because I entered 2 on USD JPY because the lot size was wrong. You just started off a bad note with the euro. Just annoying. Entered on the 4th leg trade. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, if I just held my usual stop loss, I just won. Yeah, yeah. I just never take them in most cases. I don't like multiple leg trades. They always fail for me. Point in case. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Mm. CHF's turning around. But the euro isn't moving. The euro's still going up. Yeah. Who's still in euro? Are you? What? Didn't you have a stop loss? Oh. May see a long position on the GU. Yeah. Nice, mate. Right, I'm going to prepare for GU longs. Okay. AU as well. I'm in GU. On AU as well. Yeah, it feels good, don't it? And nah, just be doubling the risk. Might as well take 2 trades on AED, you know what I mean? What's your stop losses on GU? That's quite big. I've got mine at 10 pips. Yeah, because usually I just put it a bit below the candle low from the previous, well, from the point of interest. On what? Ah, GU doesn't want to continue. Mm-mm. Yep. Which one are you on about, Pepe? What was it? AU. All right. Yeah, I've just got mine at 5.4, really. Yeah, the yen usually now, well, for the past like 2 weeks, has just been going opposite to GU. So not opposite, sorry, opposite to what it's meant to be doing, which is the opposite of GU. It's been doing the same as GU a lot of the time. Are you in Europe? Oh, where did you enter? Ages ago. Probably did. Everyone just fucking full margin on euro. Hmm. GU's annoying me right now. About to lose that. There was a bearish line on the GU, which it rejected off of. Oh, that's funny. It's not usually, it's not a pair that we trade usually, is it? The US pairs. Hmm. Who lives in Europe? Well, last I heard, Germany ain't doing so well. Hmm. Yeah. What does that mean? Wouldn't that be negative for the EU then? Right. Hmm. Right. Yeah, we'll find out soon enough. I'm gonna get the hell out. My GU just lagged out for a second now. Mm. Yeah, the euro is just an absolute mess at the minute. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's always the Swissy, the root of all our problems, isn't it? Just blame it. Okay. Swiss dies, they'll prove us wrong. And they'll give it to me. Nah, I want an actual one, please. Thank you. Day just. Thanks. Yeah. Men just laughing, mate. Men just laughing. Yeah. Yeah. He's so animated now. Yeah, is this just a skinwalker? I'm still in AU. Are you in AU, Peter? Yeah, I'm still in GU as well, to be honest, so see how it goes. Done for the week, mate. Yeah, Kaiser is, definitely. The indicator is called PropSense. It's an indicator that I coded. You can find PropSense on MQ5. Just type in PropSense. The daily target is part of the PropSense indicator, so it's the same indicator as the thing that's drawing the red and blue lines. It's just a daily target panel because I only target 20 pips a day, right? So it just helps me see really quickly whether or not I've hit that target or not. Who, me? Oh. Imagine if he made 60. Holy moly. He came late and made 60. Osama. Oh my god. He needs to replace me for real. It's good, it's good. Alright. No worries. Yeah, there is actually. But it's rejecting off of a book, so I probably won't take that. Yeah. Go on, lad. That's what I like to hear. Mm-hmm. That'd be a good thing, if anything. Mm-hmm. It's a better guess than ours, that's for sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah. A new Ferrari. Fast and Furious. Was that ever set in Singapore? What the hell? Mm. That is a very good sign, actually. Yeah. Forget about you, bro. Where's that? What price is that? Oh, yeah. That's literally where my take profit is. What the hell? Mm. What a coincidence. The Aussie's just not moving. Oh. Mm. Whoa. Euro spiking there. Yeah, there is, yeah. Hype. Yeah. Finally. Euro's tanking. Let's go to the Swissy. Nope. Yeah. I got in originally, but on the first leg, and it didn't get to my stop loss. I just got out manually. Yeah. Yeah. It's looking okay though so far. Not terrible, at least. Not like Euro. The Euro is just absolutely dreadful, mate. I'll tell you the truth. Christ alive. Mm-hmm. The Aussie keeps pushing, it'll be nice. Yeah, keep adding positions, Peter. It'll keep going up. Yeah. Yeah, London fixes there, yeah. Euro just died again. Yeah. So it's about 12 pips from current price. Price starting to turn. I've only got my take profit at 5 pips anyway, so. Yeah. I know. It's being a bit annoying, aren't they? It's the Euro. It's the Euro and the Swissy causing the issues. Yeah. Yeah. Killing you softly. I thought you'd gotten out. That was actually a trade on the Swissy. Missed it. Would have been a nice trade. Meanwhile, the Aussie's in a range now. Good thing Pepe got out. Hmm. Hmm. He was like, yep, I see a range now, I'm getting out. Oh, you in Swissy again? Hmm. Yeah. That's the thing about the Swiss, is the spread as well. But the pip value is good. You can scale in on GU Pia if you want. Don't do it though. Don't do it. Go on news soon. Fair enough. Oh my god, look at the Swissy. He is going to be fuming. Yeah, I forgot he's the ice cold. He's the ice cold one. Hmm. Tough guy. Yeah, for real, for real. Off of 2 hours of sleep and like 3 jugs of coffee. Yeah. Fleshlight coffee. Yeah, it looks a bit odd, doesn't it? It looked a bit odd. I only noticed when someone pointed it out. I don't know who it was. Christ. How do you not have a heart attack, bro? I never drink coffee, bro. Don't like coffee. Hmm. Yeah, GU's seems like it wants to range a little bit. UJ is falling, which is causing the GU to go up. No, don't do it. Don't double stack. Don't do it. Unless you're on demo and you're just messing about. Yeah. There is news soon, so I'm going to be exiting my trade. We're on the GU. Just going to wait a little bit. Mm. Me getting out of UJ was a bit of a mistake. Obviously, it did work out. My stop loss was placed correctly. I just got out because I didn't really want to take the risk. Um, And yeah, it was a mistake though. It was a mistake. I should have held it. But like I say, seems like I made a couple of mistakes this morning. First with the EU trade, the buys, they weren't they weren't the first leg. I only take first leg trades, or at least I should. I only take first leg trades, and that was about 4 legs in, so it wasn't that great. UJ was a good trade. I just got out early, like I just mentioned, and the GU trade and the EU, sorry, the AU trade. AU is just ranging, and GU is also being a little bit weird. It's only being supported by the UJ moving down. So I'm going to be getting out in a little bit, just because there's news hitting soon. So I'll be exiting quite early, just because of that, just because of the news. There's high impact news coming in, so I want to be out by then. Who? Who? Oh, right. That's awesome. Did you say that you won? Oh, right. Oh, traded 76 pips until 110 lots. Wow. Right. That makes sense. Overtrading is a bit, well, is an issue that I had as well. Very big issue. Mm, yeah. You're still in it, are you? Oh, man. You'll do better on the next one. Is this alive? Oh, right. Okay. I thought it was just a challenge. Mm. Yeah, I've lost plenty, mate. Lost plenty. Mm. Yeah, it's FTMO's fault, not yours, mate. Don't worry about it. Euro's dead. Mm-hmm. There was a first leg trade on Swissy that I didn't take. I'll be getting out in 5 minutes from my positions. I'll get out of EU. Actually, I'll just get out now because there's no point in holding these. There you go. It's all right. Just wait for the news to pass and we'll take some more trades. All right. It's okay. I'm about the same. Yeah, for sure. Take care, mate. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I got out of that pretty early. $1? Holy moly. No, 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 no. Whoever's in the audience, don't do that. Just gonna wait until the news plays out, and then we'll take some more steps. Hmm. I'm inclined to think the euro will continue on its downward move just because of yesterday, but we'll see. Hmm. 5 minutes till news. Weather's gloomy here as hell. Not that it isn't any other time, but all right. Well, I'll be back in a moment, guys. Do you trade MT5? This is currently on MT4. I will be creating prop sense for MT5 though soon. Been getting a few requests for it. I think it's 4%. Yeah. Yeah, 4%. Yeah, news in a minute. In a second. Seems to be dropping the euro. What happens to the lines of the day before? So the lines will stay until they have been closed above or below. So for bearish line, if it's closed above, then it will disappear. The bullish line, it needs to close below in order for it to disappear. The way that the indicator works, you have a period setting. So the period is how many candles you want to see, you want the indicator to calculate back on. So if you have, for example, its default, it's about 300. That includes today and some of yesterday. Then it will include what's yesterday. It'll include the last 300 candles. If you want the last 500 candles, you can put in 500, and that'll include 500 candles. Okay, so that I usually set mine just to include today, and depending on the market conditions, if there's nothing to the left from the day or the previous day, I'll increase the lines and the period until I see something from the past, because I need to have reference points. But yeah, like I say, it just depends on the settings that you put in. The only customizable setting, besides the colors, obviously, is the period. It's a fairly simple indicator. So you just set your period and you choose how many candles you want to see back. Does this exist for TradingView? Yeah, so there's a free version for TradingView that someone in the community made one. If you go into our Telegram group, I'll just give you the link now. We also post our results there. We're slowly transitioning to Discord. You can scroll up and you'll find a TradingView copy paste. You can just copy the script, put it into your own indicator into TradingView, and you can use it for free on TradingView. The MT4 version is paid, and the free version is on TradingView. Obviously, TradingView has a subscription anyway, so there's no point making it paid for that. But yeah. Could be seeing UJ longs maybe, if it sets up. Oh yeah, true. We're expecting it to rally on the GU EU Aussie. Mm-hmm. Probably FTMO. Yeah. MFF, the slippage is quite bad. It's so bad. Would like a long setup on the EU or the GU. AU as well, but AU seems to be messing about a bit more. Probably be my last couple of trades. Hmm. Yeah. Somehow. CAD flying a bit. My wick though. Hmm. Did they change that? I thought on the challenge you weren't allowed. Oh. Right, okay. I didn't know that. I thought it was on everything. Yeah, no time limit. Yeah, I can take your time with the challenges. Some boring markets, mate. Boring as hell. Could maybe set up longs on EU and GU in the next 10 minutes. Get a bear candle. Yeah. Be a nice first leg. AIG. What's IG saying these days? Blue. All right. That's good news. Yeah, finally, right? Took a sweet time. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Waiting for the pound buys. Mm. No, I don't think there was a setup on it. Yeah. All right. So we're talking about IG. We're talking about IG.com. I'll just share my screen. Just bear with. Sure. So if you can see my screen here, this is IG. Okay. And essentially, what we're looking at is the stock market performances. So this change column here, we're looking at this to see if it's usually if it's a sea of blue, then it's going to be an easy session. If it's a sea of red, it's going to be an easy session. If it's mixed, they tend to be a bit more difficult because the markets aren't in tandem. They're not agreeing with each other. So the way that the stock markets work, just to give you a quick rundown, Australia and Canada produce raw materials. Raw materials get taken from these two countries, then given to China. China then turn these raw materials into consumable products, and they'll be sent to Australia. Sorry, they'll be sent to Europe and America for consumption. So if everything is blue, it means that everything is agreeing, everything is working as it should. The raw materials are doing well. The Europe and America and the West are consuming. China is doing well with their production. And if it's a sea of blue, that means you want to be buying AUD USD, the Euro USD, and the Pound USD. If it's a sea of red, you want to be selling the AU, GU, and EU. Okay, that's just a quick rundown. But there is a video on the Telegram explaining what the relationships are in a bit more detail. But we just look at that every 15 minutes or so, just to give us an idea of what's going on in the markets. There you go. We see some sells on Swissy, some buys on AU, some buys on GU if it sets up. These will probably be my last couple of trades for the day. Um, yeah. Mm-hmm. Scrolling up. Yeah, you buys will set up soon, yeah. Swissy sells aren't setting up anymore. Yeah, and then there's a London fix on it as well. About 13 pips. And it's a first leg for me, so be a good trade. Yeah. It's just pinning at the minute. We have a minute left to the end of the candle, so we'll see. Swissy would give a seller. Supports the euro going up. Yeah, true. True. It's just a first leg trade, so I usually like them. Going in Aussie. There you go. I'm in. And Swissy as well. And these would probably be my last two trades for the day. Who, me? I'm down about 2%. Well, 1.7. I'm down about 1.7. Oh, pips. I think I'm down. Let's have a look. Down 26, but it's skewed because on the UJ, I had to take two trades, and it counts them as separate pips. Because of the lot size, I didn't change it at the right time. Yeah, not the best. Definitely not the best. I'm not worried. Because a lot of the mistakes I made today, there were just some rookie ones, like Euro being the fourth leg and UJ getting out early when I should have held my stop loss. mm. Mm. Yeah, the Euro would be looking nice as well. It is inside of a book, though. Just be wary of that. Like literally, just the black candle right next to it is a book. It's it closed out just now. I'm tired, bro. I didn't even sleep last night because of the heat as well. It's way too hot. Sweating. Yeah, I just couldn't sleep, man. It's the same as last time. It's not flying yet, just a little bit, half a pip, probably 0.1 of a pip, flying 0.1 of a pip. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Hopefully the Swiss comes down with it. That's the hope and that's the dream. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, just need the Aussie to move up, don't we? Yeah, it's just below the London fix and nothing's happened to the London fix, so. And it seems to have a book right near the London fix too, so supports the buys. Where's your TP at, Peter, for Aussie? Say that again? Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. See a lot of reversals on Friday usually. Mm. Sadly. Monday. Mm. Yeah, it's just the Aussie and the Swiss aren't going that well. Yeah. Say that again? I'm still in it. Just gonna wait. Yeah. 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 Mm. Yeah, I'm not going to take the Euro buys, but it is a valid setup. I just don't want to overtrade, so I'm just going to keep my Swissy. I'm in Swissy, so if Euro goes up, Swissy will go up. I'm in Swissy and I'm still in Aussie, yeah. 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 But let's see what it does. Yeah, it's not broken through yet anyway. So. Just gonna look to the left on the Aussie. There is a bit to get through on the left on the Aussie, to be fair. All that before the clean space. It's probably why it's been struggling a bit. Yeah, it's going alright, yeah. First trade, and it's Swissy of all pairs. First okay trade that I've taken. But then again, that's what I mean. This is the first like trade, you know what I mean? So it's going okay. Still not fully there yet, but it's going a bit better than the other trades that I've taken. Maybe I've jinxed it now. I've jinxed Aussie. Do I get it right? If your USD breaks a black candle to the downside, then it's a sell to the line. The euro sells have already happened, but there is a buy set up if it takes the high of this black candle. So this black candle 2 candles ago, including this one, would be the point of interest for a buy. So if it breaks the high of that, then you can enter a buy. I'm just not because I don't want to overtrade. You know what I mean? Yeah, sort of broke it. Not by much, but it broke it. Yeah, you out, Christian? All right, man. All right, take care, man. I'll see you Monday. See you Monday, Christian. Yeah. He was just stuck. Really can't break through that high. Are you still in it, Peter? Aussie. Yeah. All right. Yeah, no worries. All right, Kaiser. See you Monday, mate. Are you in anything, Pepe? Ah, yeah. Still in Swissy. Just waiting. Sell. Yeah. Went down a little bit and then just sort of reversed up after it closed the book. Yeah. Never gonna end well, mate. There's Euro. Euro's going up. If anyone wants it. Mm-hmm. Aussie not looking too good. Yeah. Sort of rangy as hell on that. Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Make a little bit. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Yeah, obviously not. Yeah, forget that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think I'll just hold Swissy to my full take profit, and the Aussie could be the one that, if it gets into profit, and just sort of let it run a little bit. Mm. The Swissy I don't really want to hold, but the Aussie, bearing in mind everything else, it's with the London fix and everything. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Man, am I tired. Oh. You off, Peter? All right. See you soon, mate. Take care. Yeah, we'll see you then. All right. Yeah. I'm just gonna. These are my last trades anyway. So. Talking about euro. You getting out with 3 pips? Oh, you still in? Okay. Hmm. I'm aiming for the lower book. Yeah, it'll synchronize with the Swissy book that I'm targeting as well. Aussie finally above water. Did anyone get in on EU? Okay. You'll get there, mate. Don't worry. Close enough, are you? Is your take profit exactly on the book? Just a little under. Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Look alive. Hopefully the Aussie can break through this high. If it breaks through this high, it's gone. It'll be a nice trade. Can finally get out of it as well. It'll be going in the same direction as the euro and the pound. Plus, there is the London fix above, so that's kind of what I'm banking on at the minute. Okay. Just get ready to get out of Swissy. Why was there no sell setup? On which pair? Which pair are you talking about? Swissy just rejected my my take profit a little bit. Came exactly to the pip and then just sort of rejected a bit, but it's still coming down, so I'm not too worried. Either way, Aussie still needs to break that high. It's doing a whole lot of nothing, Aussie. Whole lot of nothing. You still in euro? Okay. Right. Come on, go. Ooh, the pound is falling. See that on the pound? What's going on there? I think it's ranging though, so that should probably not be a real move. Yeah. It's probably just going to wick up now, isn't it? So it seems like anyway. It's unfortunate with the Swiss, he would have been out. No, it's a bit confusing, right? Is IG still mixed? Oh, well, yeah, it's still mixed actually, yeah. But the FTSE and all that is sea of blue in the FTSE and the Euro stocks. Yeah. Might be the pound holding things back at the minute. Is the FTSE struggling or something? What's going on? Right. Yeah, we're just sort of used to green and green and red, aren't we? Yeah, you probably want to get out of that. Just 1 second, I'm just going to talk to the YouTube dudes. So the sell setup on USD CHF, I'll just explain it. So we have the 4 steps from the beginning of the session. You have a bear candle, which comes after a bull candle. There's been no close above, making it a bearish line. we have a bull candle which attempted to rebalance this. It didn't get up there, and so we wait for the body low of that bull candle to break for an entry. I got in here, put my stop there, and my take profit is always 5 pips. That's the reason why I sold on the Swissy. And if you want to know a bit more about the strategy, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to send in the Discord server and the Telegram group as well. There's the Discord, and this is the Telegram. All right, I'm back. Swissy's coming down now. Swissy's coming down. Not just yet, mate. There you go, Swissy. There you go. I'm out of Swissy now with 5 pips. Now I'm just got to hold the Aussie. My first successful trade of the day. Finally. Took its time. Now we just wait for the Aussie to come in. Come on, Aussie, you can break. As soon as you break, I got you. Come on, Aussie. It's moving finally. There we go. Finally. Did he get out? Just gonna hold Aussie. Nah, just take that, mate. Call it a day there. Yeah. I'll be with you in Aussie. Just gonna chill and watch it move. Took its time, didn't it, on Aussie? Look at that. It's just there was another setup and it was a first leg, and I thought, you know what, I'll take it because it's a first leg. Yeah. And the stops are a little bit more relaxed, just a bit. Just use the bottom of the candle before rather than the current high or low. So I'm just going to be holding Aussie to the London fix, really. I don't plan on I'm getting rid of it. Once it gets to about 5 pips, I'll move to break even and I'll let it run. See how it goes. Yeah, for today, I'm down about, let's see, down 385. Looks like someone made 50 pips on Euro USD. Oh, this is going to take a while. You off? All right, mate. Happy? I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself. See you Monday, mate. Cheers. Mahendra, is your mic working? On TradingView, is there an indicator for the London fix? I think there is. Someone mentioned it in our Telegram group. If you join our Telegram group, someone did mention it. Just type in TradingView on the search function and you'll see someone mentioned it. I'll have a look for it now as well for you. Just bear with. I know someone posted it. It's a free one as well. Let's have a look. Essentially, you just want an indicator which draws a line from a specific time. Let's have a look, see if I can find it. If I can't find it, I'll let you know. Yeah, so it's called configurable settlement fixing. I'll just type that out for you. Configurable settlement fixing on TV. There you go. If it doesn't hit 5 pips in the next 15 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to end the stream, but I will leave AUD USD to run as it is. I won't fiddle with it or anything. And I will make a video later today just going over my performance. Just to give you a recap of what happened today and my mistakes that I made. I bought on the euro when I shouldn't have. Hey mate, can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. I'm just talking to the YouTube guys. Just bear with me 1 second. Yeah, so I bought on euro when I shouldn't have. We were 4 legs into the trade. Sorry, into the price action. I shouldn't have bought, but I did anyway. That was my mistake. That was user error. I only should take first leg trades. That is my thing. The USD JPY was another user error. The issue was I entered at the right time. The only thing was I put my stop at the right place as well. It didn't get to my stop. I got out manually, and I think that was just a fear-based reaction. So that was another mistake there. USD CHF was a trade that went well. That was everything that could have gone right, really. It was a first leg trade. We have a bear candle. We have a bull candle to attempt to rebalance, body break entry, 5 pips. And then, well, 4 pips because the spread is like 4.4. And I don't think I took anything else. Oh, yeah, there was the AUD USD trade as well. I think that was another trade that wasn't a first leg. I think I entered here. The issue was we have 1, and then you sort of dismiss everything because that's inside of the swing. But 1, 2, and then this would be the third leg. So I'm not really, that's another example of why I don't take trades which aren't the first leg, or at least why I shouldn't, but I did there. AD/USD turned around a little bit, probably because the USD CAD hit a line and it's going up. If it's a loss, don't mind. It's all right. Okay. Pound is just ranging. USD is doing nothing as well. I'm still expecting the AUD to go up, but if not in the next 15 minutes, I'll just end the stream and let it run as it is. So just don't want to spend too much time at the screen. You know what I mean? Well, how was your performance today, Mahendra? How was it? Did you take any trades? Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. Right. Yeah, the pound just seems to be ranging though right now, doesn't it? It doesn't seem like it wants to break anything at the moment. But the trajectory is to the top side, but it is hitting a bearish line, at least for me. I don't know if it's on your broker, but for me, there's a line where it's rejecting. Is it? Yeah, I only have the London fix. I don't have the Asian fix, but I should have it. I'll add another line. My God, I'm so tired. Me and Mahendra just waiting on AU to do something. Hold on. Oh yeah, okay, I can hear you now. That's the plan. It's the caddy as well, isn't it? It's the USD CAD that's sort of ranging, causing the USD to not break through. But if the CAD breaks this line, sorry, go on. Go on, what were we going to say? Hmm. Was it a buy? Ah, okay. Hmm. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. That's good. That's really good, bro. Hold on. Well done. Oh yeah, how was your account? Uh-huh. Ah, okay. Yeah, fair enough. That's good though. My what? I think I went down to 1.7% drawdown. Now I'm at 1%. Well, 1.3%, I think, or 1.2. So yeah, it's not huge, but still not ideal. Did we? Yeah, I should have held it for a little bit longer, and I would have gotten a bit more. But I got out manually because Swissy is just it has spread, right? So sometimes it comes to you take profit, and then it'll turn around and it won't take you out because of the spread. So I just got out manually. Yeah, yeah. Paintings. Yeah, it's just a plain room, to be honest. It's plain, way too plain. That's how I like it. I'll get a picture of Cameron and put it on my wall. Just pray to him every morning, please. I need pips. Yeah, 20 pips a day, please. Thank you. Yeah, happy days. Just have a slogan underneath him. Happy days. Just now. What did you take? A bite? Hmm. Ah, okay. Yeah. Where is the London fix? Isn't it all the way up here? $1.26. 471. Oh yeah, I can see on my yeah. Oh yeah, that's quite a bit away, yeah. It's like 60 pips away. Christ. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Um it was a bit unpleasant at first, but then I was just like, you know what, forget it. I'm not really that bothered. I know what mistakes I made. It's because I entered into those silly trades with the which because I only take first leg trades, right? That's what I'm meant to do. I only really like first leg trades because in my back testing, the first leg trades are the ones which are always, well, not always, but they're mostly successful. Um, but everyone was just like, "Oh yeah, EU looks good," you know what I mean? So, and I looked at it and it was like, "Yeah, it looks all right." To be fair, and the Swissy was just dumping at the time, so I was like, "All right, cool, I'll take it." Plus, the IG was looking blue, so I took it. But little did I know, well, not little did I know, but you know, I overlooked the um, the point that EU was on the fourth leg of its buy move. So if it's in its fourth leg, you don't really want to trade it anymore, to be honest. Like even for me, I don't even want to trade the second leg. Obviously, the second leg is the first tradable leg, but the second tradable leg is not something I even want to take either. I only just take the first one. UJ, the problem with USD JPY when I took that trade, I took a nice sell on it, and it worked out. My stop losses were placed perfectly, as it would always be placed above the bear candle, which is above the high of the setup. And it got up, but it didn't take it out. I just got out manually. Yeah, go on. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let me look at the pound again. Uh huh. Right. This. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. The issue with pound again was that if we count the legs, right, since the most recent break of structure, so there was a break of structure here. So the most recent leg, let's see. Actually, this was a break of structure, right? So we have one bullish leg, then we came down, pull back, two bullish leg, and then this was the third leg, and I entered here on the break of that candle there, and I shouldn't have because it was the third leg. So yeah. So all my losses today were from trades which were multiple legs in, and that's why I should enter these because they always lose for me. I don't know how Kaiser does it. Kaiser always just seems to make profit off them, but I don't. No, he doesn't. Yeah. He just cares about the movement. He doesn't even care. He doesn't care about all that bull. All he does is he looks at it and he's like, "Yeah, it might be risky. It might be this. It might be that," and then he just enters. If the setup's there, he'll just get in. Even if there's no setup, he'll get in sometime. Like GU, he entered a buy. If we look at GU, he entered a buy here. He entered a buy there. There's no setup there. But he probably took it because he was rejecting off of the open book, and then it bought. Look on my YouTube. I don't know if the YouTube might be slightly delayed, but yeah. Well, I'm not bad mouthing you. I'm not bad mouthing you. I'm telling you that the setups that you take, some of them are just bull, mate. What was this? What was this buy here? What were you doing? UJ? Are you talking about UJ? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The kind, yeah. You told me about the buy, yeah. Four candles. Whoa! Oh, I thought I saw something flash then. The Aussie just sort of flashed up a little bit. I was like, what's going on? Yeah, four candles ago. Yeah. I can understand why he took it. So I wouldn't have taken it, obviously, but it's a similar trade to what Kaiser took. Uh, yeah. Just scalp a few pips here and there, you know what I mean? Yeah. You can learn from Kaiser, mate. Kaiser's just savage now. Best trader in the world. he's gonna recover his 200k. What is the name of those blue and red line? How that work? I'll just post the MQL5 link for you. It's an MT4 indicator. It comes with the panel. This panel over here, you can move it around, minimize it, and obviously you have the blue and red lines as well. Just bear with %. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's really good, actually. Yeah, really good. Positive 4.9. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Really good. Really, really good. Need to beat him up. That's what I need to do. Just attack him. On what? Hmm. On the 1 minute? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, but I think based on the higher time frame, well, on the 5 minute, I'm just gonna keep it as it is. It's because of the London fix and everything else, you know. Plus, if you look at the trajectory of it, like the angle of where it's moving, it's quite sort of wedging to the top side. So, and plus the setup's there. The setup's there. You know what I mean? So if the setup's there, you got to take it. That's all. First leg trade. We broke structure to the downside. Sorry, go on. Yeah, what's up with you, Mike? What's going on with it? Mm, right. Are you still in it? Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. On the GU. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. I'm gonna give the Aussie another 10 minutes. If it doesn't, it's not. If I can't move it to break even by then, I'm just gonna leave it and I'm gonna call it a day there and let it move on its own. I'll come back to it later and make a video just to recap my performance for the day in the stream. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, Monday was a break-even day for me. Tuesday was break-even. Wednesday I made a little bit. Yesterday I made about like 12 pips, so it was all right. But they were all half lot sizes, so I barely even. But then today was full lot sizes. And today was the day I decided to make some mistakes. Mm. Yeah. Hmm. Especially the AUD USD, mate. It's been flat. It was stuck in that little range for a little bit, and then couldn't break the high, and then it broke it now, and it's sort of going up. But again, I'm sort of indifferent now to where it's going to go. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. My thesis is that it goes to the London fix. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. CAD. Hold on. Yeah, the CAD's stuck in a little bit of a range now as well. That's probably what's stalling the AUD USD. But the fix has not been touched on it, so that could be good too. Is there? Right. I made 12 pips. What is that in percentage? So yesterday I made about, because like I say, I was trading half lot size. So I made, well, it was 0.4%, something like that, 0.5. Um, so it wasn't, if it was full size, I would have made a percent, well, just over a percent. Mm. Yeah, it's just because obviously I was off stream yesterday, right? So on stream I'm meant to take full lot size. Off stream I have to take half lot size. But I mean, one lot isn't even half. I just took one lot instead of 1.25. Not that it makes much of a difference, but it's something, right? But yeah, say that again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some positive vibes for me. Love to hear it. 218. Let's increase my take profit just a little bit. Mhm. Close enough. $100 off. Yeah, yeah. On Nova, are you with Nova Funding? Okay. Yeah, so they've got high commissions and high spread as well at the same time. What the hell? Why? Is there? Oh yeah, there is for a long, but again, it's multiple legs in. So first of all, I'm not taking any more trades. Like this is it for AUD USD. That's the last one. But as well as that, for the euro, even if this was my first trade of the day, I shouldn't take this anyway because it's not the first leg. So yeah, forget the euro, mate. The euro had me starting off on a bad note today. Then again, there's no one else to blame. It was my fault, and I'm willing to accept that. Can just improve. Remember, guys, no more multiple leg trades. Only the first leg. For me. Mhm. Yeah, I know. But like I say, I'll reiterate again, it was my mistake. You know what I mean? So there's nothing I can do about that. I made that mistake. I made that decision. Can't reverse it. Well, the AD is moving now. A little bit. Mm. A sideways move. hmm Yeah. So here's the plan, guys, for everyone on YouTube. I'm going to end the stream in just a little bit. If AUD USD decides to hit 5 pips, I'll move my trade to break even, and I'll let it run to my take profit or take me out break even. But I'm going to end the stream after that. And once it's done, I will go over my mistakes. But again, for people who are still watching, my main mistake today was entering trades which were multiple legs into a move. I should only take trades. For me personally, I should only take trades when I'm on the first leg. That's the main thing that I need to focus on. Otherwise, like I say, I mean, the trade that I did take, which was on the first leg, well, the two trades. One of them I messed up because I exited early. I shouldn't have. The other one on the USD CHF, that was a good trade because it was a first leg and I didn't mess up my stop loss. I held it and I didn't, fearfully close. The issue with the UJ was that I had my stop in the right place, but for some reason I was a bit scared and I pussied out of the trade and I closed it. Again, my mistake. I shouldn't have done that. But at least I know what my mistakes were today. It wasn't just, oh my God, the strategy doesn't work, It was my fault. But again, you got to work with me because I'm only 5 weeks. Prior to this challenge, I only had 5 weeks of training on this strategy. So I'm not the best trader by any means necessary. Kaiser is the best trader. Just kidding. But, is Kaiser still watching? I think he is. Probably is. Kaiser, I hate you so much. From Mahendra as well, he hates you too. Yeah, we're gonna find you in Singapore and we're gonna attack you, mate. It's all a joke, guys. We love Kaiser. Don't worry, there's no violence in this video. Just in case YouTube wants to ban us for threats. Yeah, trading live is a little bit more difficult. There's a bit more pressure to perform, isn't there? And sometimes you end up taking trades which you're not really meant to take and missing trades that you're supposed to take, which did happen today. I missed a trade on the Swissy, even though I did end up taking a trade which won on the Swissy as well. But yeah, there's a couple of trades I missed too, which would have got me easily to 20 pips. Silly me, eh? Silly me. But it's all right because we've got Monday. Monday's our next stream, and hopefully, you guys remind me in the chat. Don't be taking multiple leg trades. Don't be an idiot. Say that again. Oh, I was on phone. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. What's the pound doing? Oh, I was messing about a little bit as well. Yeah, I just can't be bothered watching it. You know what I mean? It's just long. Yeah, well, you didn't really miss much. We actually that was when I took the euro loss when I shouldn't have taken that trade. So you didn't miss much at all, really. Don't worry. Oh yeah. What, you donating your blood? Oh, platelets. Yeah, yeah, the platelets. So you donated yours, or did someone donate them to you? Right, right. Well, a family member, or just because? Okay, fair enough. Wow. Hmm. Right. Did they pay you for it? Oh, you just volunteering, or fair enough. Okay. Uh, I mean, I don't know. I mean, some people like over here they pay you. Yeah. Man, it's taking the piss, isn't it? I could fall asleep right now. I barely got like 4 hours last night. Not even three, to be honest. Say that again? Did you say IG's gone to blue? Hold on. I think my speakers are not working. Speak again, Mahendra? Alright, I can't hear you. 1 second. It's my fault. Bear with. Alright, I think I should be able to hear you now if you speak, Mahendra. Yeah, hello, hello. Are you Microsoft? You ready to take my credit card details? 1 second. You're an excellent trader, Fbomb. Thank you very much, Cameron. I think you're being super hard on yourself. Maybe I am. Maybe I am. It's just taking losses hurts my feelings, as it does to most people, you know. But 1% is easy to make back. Definitely, I agree. A couple of good trades, not even one good trade. One good trade, you make a percent back pretty easily. So you're right. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Mm. They're sort of built to fail as well. In most cases, they're built for you to fail. They're only temporary. Yep. The feelings are only temporary, yep. But the worst feeling is when you lose on a Friday, right? Am I wrong, traders? I'm telling you the truth. Because if you lose on a Friday and you have to think about it through the weekend, it's one of the most the most hurtful things, because it's like it's just a slow poison. It just sort of sits there and you think about it, you know what I mean, and you let it fester. Obviously, you shouldn't do that, but that's how it can be for some people, and it was like that for me for some time, especially when I started out, you know. But yeah, they are only temporary, and Monday will be a much better training day. But like I say, Monday, the focus of it will be, we're all learning in real time, and the focus of it for me will be to focus on my first leg trades, my beloveds, because they are the ones that work. The ones that fail for me are the multi-leg trades. They always fail for me. Always. I don't even know why I got in on EU at this point. I really don't. GU was a little bit more difficult to spot because the structure looked a bit weird. But yeah, EU, I shouldn't have got in, no matter what. UJ. Yeah. CAD as well? Oh yeah, CAD's going up as well, yeah. CAD is going up as well. It's not good for the AU though, but like I say, it seems like it's ranging. Seems like it is ranging. Doesn't bother me though. I couldn't care less about this point about AU. It's just final trade of the week. I just wanted to end so I can make this video and tell you guys what I've done wrong, so you can learn from it as much as I can. You know what I mean? My God. So, well, like right now, we have 1, 2, 3. So we finished the third leg. We're on the pullback and into the fourth leg, if it gives one, obviously. But yeah, we just finished the third leg. Right. Starting to rain outside now. Yeah. Get some fresh air and some fresh water. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Which, well, what's your balance on it right now? 24, 5, 6, 9. Oh, same as me. Okay, right. Right. What's the max drawdown on overfunding? Okay, right. Mm-hmm. Seems like you came into this book, closed it out, rejected. Nice. AU might hit stop loss. Finally. All that. Took its time. I mean, if you look at USD CAD, like it sort of ranged for a bit and then it sort of exploded to the top side. So I'm not overly confident in AED USD going back up. But then again, it doesn't really matter at this point. Are you still in pound, are you? Okay. Yeah. hmm So you're going to hold for like 60 pips? Yeah, fair enough. It's double the target. Yeah, I wouldn't take him personally. UJ, while it is a technical buy, I mean, you can see that it's in a range and it's not the first leg for me either. Let me just see. One, two, it'd be the third leg, technically. Yeah, yeah, that's right. hmm Say that again? Yeah, here's our London fix. Hold on. I'll just give them the Discord channel. Hey, Wolfek, join the Discord. Go into Start Here channel, and you'll see the London Fix video posted there, and you'll see what it's all about. Ah, yeah, it'll be in the description as well of the video. So, AD USD about to hit stop loss. Yeah, multiple legs in though. hmm USD CAD seems to be turning. That's weird. Yeah. Do I have a YouTube channel? Yes. Prop Sense. Just get Prop Sense up. Here you go. That's my channel. Anyone can join the Discord. Yeah, it's free. Completely free. You can learn the strategy for free, and you can access us for help and support as well. I'm just going to wait for EU to make up its mind and hit my stop loss, and then we can call it a stream. Call it a week. Come back on Monday. Mm. Mm-hmm. The CHF is forming a good buy, and so is the CAD as well. But like I say, I don't really want to take these trades because I'll be over trading at that point. So don't want to overtrade. It makes it even worse. What the hell is he? What just happened? Yeah, I'm not really too fussed about the outcome of this trade at this point. I just want it to end, that's all. I'm sick of it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. The Tokyo fix, right? Yeah, yeah. But not the London. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, literally exactly 45 pips. Yeah, that's crazy. There is a chance there you can win. I mean, but the point is, I don't really. At this point, I really do not care. It's more of a nuisance at this point. Mm. Yeah, true, true. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, for anybody who wants to take it, if CAD sets up, it is a first leg buy as well. I've got a sore throat, man. I think I got a cold coming on. Yeah, I've not been sleeping well lately. I'm not gonna lie to you. Are you gonna enter on CAD on your demo? Are you gonna enter on CAD on your demo or not? Mm. Yeah, it's pretty low risk to be fair. It's about 2 pips to get 8, so you'd be doing well with it. There you go. Mm. Yeah, awesome. Should be out of AU soon, finally, unless it turns again. Annoying. Yeah, I don't trust AU at all. I don't trust any of them. Just trust the strategy. Mm. Mm. Yeah. UJ just looks terrible at the minute. What the hell is going on with UJ, man? I swear, UJ is just recently. It's just been. It's like having a mind of its own. Banned. Just ban it. There we go. Right. AUD should hit stop loss now. Yep, there we go. Right, so that's it for the day. That's it for the week, for everybody on stream. I'm going to call it a day there, and I'll see you on Monday. We'll do a short video explaining what went wrong today, what what mistakes I made, and I will see you on that little video. That'll be included in the compilation. And yeah, that's about it. Take care of yourself. I'll see you on Monday, and let's take first leg trade setups only. All right, see ya.